So I think that's a prescribed burn. That's huge. But anyways, I got the doors and the roof. Got everything done. I just had to go get a extra one size larger screw to go in the threading on those ones that were stripped, and it went right in there perfectly. So there it is with the soft kit. Looks really good. Yeah, it matches up perfect on the colors. So as soon as the transmission fluid gets replaced, oil change, and all the radiator fluid taken out of there, brand new LED headlights are going in there, and should be good to go. 34 miles, right? 34 miles, I think. It's crazy. I've never had anything that had 34 miles on it before. Let's see. Yeah, this is really dirty. Just sat out in the desert, so let's see. There it is. 34.7 miles. 5.5 hours. So soft kit turned out good. Oh yeah, I got some windshield wipers for this too, so they're gonna hook the windshield wipers up. I'll close that in a second. It's brand new, so it's got a tight seal. I gotta kind of push it in good for it to latch shut. There it is. All right, you guys take it easy.